Recall that the base 10 blocks, 1 long equals 10 units, 1 flat equals 10 longs, and 1 block equals 10 flats. Make all possible exchanges to obtain the fewest number of pieces and write the corresponding number in the given base in the following. For part A, 80 flats in base 10, and part B, 40 flats in base 18. Now, to find the value of 80 flats in base 10, we make exchanges of the flats to obtain the fewest number of pieces. So in base 10, 10 flats are equal to 1 block, and 1 flat is equal to 10 longs. So in order to obtain the fewest number of pieces, up to 80 flats should be exchanged for blocks. Now, exchanging for blocks will result in fewer pieces, while exchanging for longs will result more. So, exchange flats for blocks. 80 flats can be exchanged for 8 blocks because 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. And there will be no flats left over. Therefore, the 80 flats can be exchanged for 8 blocks with no remainder. When converting blocks, flats, longs, and units to numeric places, remember that the units are at the right, the longs are second from the right, the flats are third from the right, and the blocks are fourth from the right. So write 8 blocks in base of 10. There are no units, longs, or flats, so the 3 rightmost places are all zeros, and 8 is in the fourth place from the right. Therefore, 80 flats in base 10 is equal to 8,000 units. Now, to find the value of 40 flats in base 18, we make exchanges of the flats to obtain the fewest number of pieces. Note that these flats use base 18 blocks. In base 18, 18 flats are equal to 1 block, and 1 flat is equal to 18 longs. So in order to obtain the fewest number of pieces, up to 40 flats should be exchanged for blocks, because exchanging for blocks will result in fewer pieces, while exchanging for longs will result in more. Exchange up to 40 flats for blocks. Exchanges using up to 40 flats can result in 2 blocks because 18 can go into 40 no more than 2 times. Therefore, there will be 4 flats left over. The 40 flats can be exchanged for 2 blocks with the remainder of 4 flats. It is not useful to make any further exchanges because the number of flats is less than 18, so any further exchanges would increase the number of pieces. Write 2 blocks and 4 flats in base 18, and recall that 4 will go 3 places from the right, and the 2 will go 4 places from the right. And the 2 rightmost places will be zeros because there are no unit or long pieces. Therefore, 40 flats in base 18 is equal to 2400 base 18 units.